Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
Back with another Pokemon break. We got another Obsidian Flames booster box here. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn to hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. He's got his little hat on. Says he's going to give us a happy delivery. Let's see how happy it is. Here we go. Dragonite again. Is he in here or what? Leave a comment. Your first comment's going to be just go look up the card list. Alright, here we go. Starting off with electricity. Numel. Graveyard. Danny Phantom. Anything? Anything? Oh, look at that. Meridon. We don't have that.
That looks different.
Wow. First time getting something. Nice. Let him hold that. Alright, starting off with a hit. Let's keep it going and get progressively better. All the way. Bunnelby, Small of Oil, Pidgey, we need him. Mothra, Poltergeist, anything? Anything? Plus energy. Roki. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Major League Baseball. Combi. Lavatar turned into a Tyranitar. Okay. Oh my god! Yes! 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 Just like that! Yes! Oh my god! So blessed! There he is! Oh my god! Just like that! We are so incredibly blessed. Oh my god. Thank you, Yeshua. Wow. 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 I don't know, guys. Can we say the rumors are true? Wow. This is only our third booster box. In the first one, we got the gold Charizard. In the second one, we got the other two. And in this one, we got the best one. Oh my gosh. So incredibly blessed. And never, ever forget, ladies and gentlemen, every card pulled on this channel came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon, a ton of Obsidian Flames, and you can pull incredible stuff like this. You can pull all of them, apparently. Wow. So blessed. Wow. Well, that didn't last long. There you go. Wow. Wow. So blessed, guys. Look at all that we still have left. How many packs in was that, barely? 4 packs in, just like that. So blessed. So incredibly blessed. Oh, man. That's what happens when you break with God, my man. Here you go. Mothra. Malamar. Grumpig. Anything? Oh, cool. We didn't have that.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, we'll take that. Anything else? Nothing. Alright, that's Iono's dude. so blessed. Alright, man. 3 hits, 3 things we didn't have, and the big one. The stained glass, as we like to call it. What else could possibly be in this box? Wow. Dark energy, isn't that the Charizard? Okay. Seismitoad, anything? Anything good? Dolphin on steroids. Man, so much of this box left to go. Funnelby, small of oil. Pidgey, we need that guy. Eric the Electric. Anything? Anything? Nothing. Oh man, come on. Really? I thought you got rid of that new breaker you hired. Jigglypuff's energy. Carvanha. Malamar. Anything? Anything? The Dragonite pack again. Turn into Tyranitar. Okay. Amigo. You good? Jack Skellington, anything? No. Water. Chunk. Litwick, Grumpig. Anything? Anything? Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? Just got a fire hit because we're on fire for Yeshua. Know this. Throw another, look at Charmeleon turn into a Charizard. Anything good? Anything? Oh, nice! Did not have that. We'll take that. Nice. Alright, man. Every hit we've got, it's something we didn't have. Mario Leaf. It's Grannysaur. Flamigo. I see it. I know after that Flamigo is his Bronzong. Anything good? Carvanha, the Chunk. Ortega Salsa. Anything good? Anything? Major League Baseball. Miami Dolphins. Rhyme. Where's the good rhyme? Tim Pool, anything good? Gambit, anything good? Jump club. Electricity. Litwick. Mothra. Espeon, anything good? Anything? Whoa! Another EX we didn't have. That is cool, man. This whole box is everything we didn't have. And the one we really wanted. Look at that. That's neat. Alright. 3 packs left on the right side. Incredible right side. Oh, come on. Man, I hate when that happens. A little lip right there. Jigglypuff's energy. B-Sharps. Jetto. Anything good? Anything? Oh, nice! Ortega Salsa. Extra hot. Because this is the full art trainer. Alright, man. Look at that. So blessed. Wow, what a right side. We're barely on pack 17. What's that, John John? Alright. Pack 17. It's an incredible right side. Golly. Makes me so nervous. Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Dolphins. Brassius. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, last pack from the right side. Incredible right side. Let's see if one more for the road. Tim Pool. Seismitoad. Anything good? Oh, nice! Alright! Alright, man. Anything else? Man. So cool. So blessed. Working our way up to the Tyranitar. Just gotta turn into him. Or evolve. So blessed. I'm gonna bring out the other Tyranitar. Alright, here we go. First pack from the left side. You know the spiel. This would have been the pack that they would have put out on display, and some kid hit a jackpot. He would have went and bought this, and this would have been the pack he would have got. So let's see if he should have kept his tickets, or they were tickets well spent. Rhyme, where's the good one? Arvin. Eric the Electric, anything? Anything? Oh, yes! Yes, yes, yes! Just like that! Look at that! We said this dude was gonna bring it out! Alright, man! What a box, man! What a box! Thank you, Yeshua! Wow, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! And never forget, ladies and gentlemen, every card pulled here came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon. And you can pull incredible stuff like this. So blessed. Wow. Oh, I guess he didn't turn into that. Well, you guys have probably been laughing at me already, but I guess it turns into Pupitar, not Lavatar, or Larvitar, whatever. We got the shiny Tyranitar, and that's all that matters. So blessed. Man, what the heck else does this box possibly have? Major League Baseball. Chip from Beauty and the Beast. Litwick. Anything? Nothing. Oh, man. Wow, wow, wow. Just looking at those two cards sitting there and everything in this pile, man. And we still have all that. Wow, wow, wow. How about another Charizard? Tim Pool, Umbreon, Poppy. Looking good. Policeman's hat. Whoa! Another EX, man! And another one we didn't have. This is crazy. Man. What a box, dude. What a box. Wow. Wow, man. So blessed. Cannot get over all these hits. And the quality of them. Man. That's what happens when you break with Jesus. Electricity. Buffalint. King Gambit. Looking good? Anything? Man, so that Charizard was in the 4th pack, and that Tyranitar was in the 1st pack. You know what I mean? Yeah, on the side, on the respective sides. It's crazy. Mario Leaf. Oink Cologne. Ortega Salsa. Anything? Yeah. And even if we don't get anything else for the rest of the box, this is still an insane box. Look at that. Fire. We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Graveyard. The Chunk. Oink Cologne. Letters of encouragement. Jack Skellington. Oh my god! Look at that! Just like that! Oh my god! We were like, are we gonna pull a gold? Watch it be the fire gold. Wow, wow, wow. That is a cool card, man. Look at that. So blessed. Wow. Dude, this is insane. Man. Since it's fire, I'm gonna display it. Let's go here. Wow. Oh my gosh, you talk about blessed, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. And look at all that. God, and then look at, we still have a good ways to go, man. What the heck else is gonna be in this box? Man, the gold fire. We were just talking about that. Chip from Beauty and the Beast. Bass Pro Shop. Anything? Nothing. Oh man. This box, something else, man. And the peculiar thing is no repeats. No duplicates. Major League Baseball. Well, I mean, even in the box itself, sometimes you get 2 of the same card. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Mario Leaf. Graveyard. Chunk. Anything? Palpitoad, anything? Nothing. Oh, Gita, cheesy. Mario Leaf. Drillbur. Spoink. Anything good? Grump Pig, anything? Nope. Oh man, come on. Oh my gosh. This makes me so nervous. Amateur breaker. Electricity. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Claydol jump bluff. Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? Look at all these fire hits. Because we're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Brokey. Bass Pro Shop. Vengeful Punch. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Right, about 6 packs left. Of an insane box. Capsation, Drillbur, Sharknado, Espeon. Anything good? Oh yes! Look at that! Oh my god! We were just talking about the Pidgey! Dude, this box is, oh man, broken like they say. Wow! So blessed! Wow! Anything else? Nothing. Alright, man. We were just talking about this. So blessed. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, man. Look at that. So blessed. Wow. I'm gonna put it there. Wow. This box is just insane. We are blessed beyond words, blessed beyond belief. Well, I can believe it. Oh man, Danny Phantom, Espeon, Sharknado. Where's the good rhyme? Anything good? Whoa! Okay, that's our first repeat. We got this in an ETB one time. Wow, that's all right. Oh man, 4 packs left. Is there gonna be anything else? I mean, what can there possibly be? Well, I mean, there could be all kinds of things, but man, talk about blessed. Major League Baseball, Spoink. Anything good? Anything? All right, last 3 packs. Let's see if there's any last packs blessings. As if we need anything else. Mario Leaf, Small of Oil, Room, Eric the Electric, Frogadier. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, pack 17. What's that, John John? Here we go. Pack 17. Charizard's Energy. Brokey. Danny Phantom. The Detective. Gumshoes. Anything good? Anything? Ah. Alright, last pack of an insane, broken, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to call it a God-blessed box. So here we go. Oh, come on. Wow. You really should have fired that breaker, man. He was awful. Jigglypuff's energy. Larvitar. Eevee. Anything good? Chip, anything? Ah! Alright guys, we're back with the recap. Well, that was an incredible box. So many hits, so many things we didn't have, and the big one. So here's what we were blessed with. This is the only repeat we had. Didn't have that, didn't have that, didn't have that, didn't have that. Glad to get this, we didn't have that. Didn't have this. So glad to get that. Sorry about the confusion with Pupitar. So glad to get this, man. So glad to get this gold. So incredibly blessed to get this one. We were looking for this one. So incredibly blessed to get this. As soon as we saw this, we knew we wanted this, and we finally got it. But guys, the rumors are true, I guess. Because in 3 boxes, we pulled all 4 Charizards. And here's the big one. And never, ever forget, guys, that every card pulled here came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon, all kinds of Obsidian Flames. And you can pull incredible stuff like this. And apparently, you can pull all the Charizards. So we got some more Obsidian Flames breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.